The collision course, the Andromeda-Milky Way merger. Introduction. The impending collision between the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way is a cosmic event of unparalleled magnitude, captivating the curiosity of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. This essay explores the anticipated timeline and profound consequences of this galactic collision. Setting the stage, the Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is located approximately 2.537 million light-years away from the Milky Way. Both galaxies are immense spirals, each hosting billions of stars, nebulae, and other celestial objects. Despite their staggering distances, the gravitational interactions between these colossal entities will eventually draw them together. The cosmic dance. Scientists predict that the Andromeda-Milky Way collision will occur in approximately 4.5 billion years. Although this may seem like an immense time frame, it is a mere blink in the lifespan of the universe. Over the course of billions of years, the galaxies' mutual gravitational attraction will bring them closer, ultimately leading to their collision. The merger process. The collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way will not result in the instantaneous obliteration of either galaxy. Instead, the galaxies will undergo a gradual process of merging. As they approach each other, their gravitational forces will cause the intermingling of stars, gas, and dust, leading to the formation of new structures and the rearrangement of existing ones. Starry consequences. During the merger, stars from both galaxies will rarely collide directly due to the vast distances between them. However, their gravitational interactions will cause significant disruptions. Stellar orbits will be altered, and some stars will be ejected from the newly formed galaxy or thrown into new trajectories. This process will create a new galactic structure, rich in stellar diversity. A bigger, brighter future. The merger of Andromeda and the Milky Way will result in the formation of a new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. This new entity will possess a significantly larger mass and a wealth of intermingled stars, gas, and dust. The intricate interplay of gravitational forces will give rise to vibrant star-forming regions, brilliant supernovae, and potentially the birth of new planetary systems. Earth's front-row seat. The collision will undoubtedly have far-reaching consequences for the planets within the Milky Way, including our own Earth. However, the chances of catastrophic events such as direct collisions between stars or planets are incredibly low due to the vast distances involved. Nevertheless, the night sky will evolve dramatically as new stellar formations emerge, potentially providing future generations with breathtaking celestial spectacles. Conclusion. In the distant future, the Andromeda-Milky Way collision will mark a monumental event, reshaping the galaxies involved and producing a mesmerizing cosmic tapestry. Although we won't witness this awe-inspiring event firsthand, the collision serves as a reminder of the dynamic nature of our universe, fueling our imagination and driving scientific exploration to unravel the secrets of the cosmos.